Hello and welcome to this tour from Worldwide Tours of Knott's Berry Farm in California. Knott's Berry Farm has its origins back as early as the 1920s. By the 1940s there were several shops and restaurants, and the park became a paid attraction from 1968. And the park was sold to Cedar Fair in the late 1990s. The park still has the slogan of America's first theme park. So we start our tour in the area that is now the Boardwalk, where the newly built Hangtime roller coaster is. This roller coaster opened in May 2018 on the site of the old Boomerang and Riptide. At the time it opened, it had the steepest drop on a roller coaster in California at 96 degrees. It has a 150-foot vertical lift, and after the lift, the train is actually halted before dropping into a 96-degree jump. The ride reaches a top speed of 57 miles per hour and includes 5 inversions, all of which produce fantastic hang time, and such is the name. The ride itself is an infinity coaster, very similar to Smilo and Alton Towers in the United Kingdom, although this only has less than half of the number of inversions. The inversions on Hangtime though are great, and you do hang for quite some time. Coming back into the western area of the park, we find Silver Bullet, a B&M inverter which was built in 2004. This is actually the first ride that was built since my last visit to Knott's Berry Farm back in 2003. The ride itself is 146 feet high and has a 109-foot drop and 6 inversions. Like so many of the B&M inverters, this one has a first drop into a vertical loop, makes a cobra roll, and then follows through a 0G roll and then 2 corkscrews. I have to say that this version of the ride is very, very enjoyable, particularly the very, very tight helix on the top of the water right at the end of the ride. No visit to Knott's Berry Farm can be complete without riding Montezuma's Revenge. A sports cough, flywheel, shuttle loop. This really is a one-of-its-kind still operating in the United States. This ride was built back in 1978, and when you ride it, you just cannot believe it's like over 40 years old. And now we come to the coaster that brought me to Knott's Berry Farm, all the way back in 2003, Xcelerator. The first of the Intamin launch roller coasters. I can remember riding this and thinking, oh my god, will things ever be as good as this? And yet, since then, I've gone on to ride Formula Rossa and King the Car and realised just how amazing this type of coaster can be.
Am I going to be able to follow it?
This particular coaster does have great memories for me though, as it was the first one of these that I've ever ridden. And its 0 to 82 miles an hour in 2.3 seconds still does seem incredibly fast. What I really like about Xcelerator is that it isn't just about the top hat, because you actually have some extra track afterwards. I will never forget watching Xcelerator launch for the first few times and seeing people talking to each other while launching and wondering if their neck had actually snapped. While Xcelerator can be seen as the first of its kind, it laid the groundwork for taller, and much faster versions than Top Thrill Dragster, Kingda Ka and Formula Rossa. This ride still for me holds a great place in my heart, as it was the first of this style of Xcelerator ride. I can't wait to get back to Knott's Berry Farm in 15 years time to see what it's like. And finally, let's take a ride on the train, which was originally built here in 1952. Enjoy the ride.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.